I just want to see how he's stopping.
Good skill. Yeah, good skill. Yeah, good skill, man.
Cocky dirty girl hype up yourself and go like a female. I say, girl, remember say I fight for me. Just take off a fight and left him with the blood clot kitchen and bathroom. Dirty girl. Gone, me gone left him now. No, come up, man, come up. Along a road. Ah, man, when girl hype up themselves, what they say to them? Dirty Coley. Move with the house. Go along with it.
Oh, God, come on, watch it. After me type of shirt, this is me when we come now. Then how you make people look for me look for? Yes, sir. Watch it, watch it. Oh, come here, watch it first. Look at the man, the man who don't do them bomb clot, yeah, man. Come here first. Watch out, let me show you something, man. Let's come here, sir. All right, watch it, see there. I mean, this is the bomb clot jersey shirt, I mean, shirt. Look how man they make me look. Bomb clot. Move them the phone for me, God.
If you know see trouble, trouble all the way around. If you know see it in a country and town, if you know see it urban or rural, if you know see it in the trouble. I me say trouble. Take up no funeral, take up no need. Boom, put it where hard to be. Put it where in the fire you see. Can't take it up area, put it on we. And a search for we in a man for poison. We don't know dirty, ambitious corruption. We don't know about no evil. And no evil no control down pan we. We don't know lazy sort of family. Ungrateful duppy is. Ungrateful duppy family. Coming from the about family. Them and drunk and all they stay monkey and all alligator. And them are family. Want to come force we out we a human being. And last education of themselves. And come with some idiotic something. A ship and a drop down a hellfire. I live off a life and crew against it. He tell me where come out of that. That the practical me want to live off of. And burn up the theoretical. Me say the practical me want to live off of. And you fi burn up the theoretical. Me say the practical me want to live off of. And fi burn up the theoretical. And me mean burn up the theoretical. No! Me no want you to stabilize for me. Cause it cost me too much money. And whole heap of energy. And run grateful like a war. You don't want to pay a bill no way around. Want everything in a country and town. Want it from freely. Want big house, big car, big life. And no wait coming from east.
East. Yeah. You like have to go pay 100 billion you know.
Come here. Somebody.
One cut bird.
Yeah, one cut bird on the block. One girl carrying pussy come give me. But he happened that me and them make plan, but me never know as a boy he got here before me. And he carrying pussy come put down on the bed. So, me say to him, say, volley your pussy. He say, 50. Me say, alright, nothing wrong with that. Me not say, you know what, 50, but me must say, I trust you know, me have to test it first. And my first price at 20. So me say, I say me good. Me give you 50 and go up the line. But give me first chance at 20 for alcohol take me cut in a bush and support. Me now we out to survive. Yeah. And he say at 50 one, and me say no at 20, but you don't get the money till 2 weeks time. Yeah, you know blood flag you come out the house and go. But he better never me fuck if he 20 for
That gets it.
yes, when me come back in have to get him money.
Hold the phone like this now?
Alright, the phone no like this. But then me I talk to them,
No. That's why the phone like that. Yeah. Boy, you slow.
Slow, I'm hungry man, that man, you know.
That now have nothing to do to me, because if I never there, I you don't go buy.
But you tell me, say, you tell me I come today. As me a gone somewhere, me dinner up on fire.
No dinner with the pan on fire, Jerome.
What's wrong with dinner? Because you don't cook.
Jerome, no dinner with the pan, no.
Where you going now? Where you going now?
And I turn me off for turn me I go? Where you...
Come on, I'm going out.
Some the time. You tell me sometime?
No, because me can't tell you. I have the money. I'm tired of people who never miss you. It's a Kingston to them 2 days. A man give a dinner one time, the next 6 months before I'm give dinner again, you know. I beg you, go beg dinner. Oh, a town is, you know. I'm like, you know, realize a town. But money run town.
Can't stand you.
Alright, you know, Bella. You're alright, but when I come in, I have nothing to eat. Judgment turn on me.
There's 2 extra bone and time coming on for you.
No, I say suppose.
Oh. I think you're saying it.
No, so I have to make sure, say, the night come even have a little bowl of chicken food.
How much days you go?
The lady now don't need something. And everybody for help them to get the good getting the goods.
You say car Obama, you doing a car.
So the exaggeration about buy license, you know.
I don't buy my license, but
you know the car bomb, so the exaggeration. You want me to get a book for revise? Plane a bomb, chuck a bomb, the one of them a bomb, a kinetic energy.
I know, but I say, you say you're not going to car. See your friend shop there.
You know, say me not going to car.
See your friend shop there.
All love don't care.
You see all you can't. Oh.
That animal fear tame me a cow.
You can't tame
me a cow, me a donkey, me a goat. Look at your country talking.
You can't tame.
I understand what you mean by that, because I see them tame ass and cow and donkey. But look like them something there.
But I can't.
Now cow and donkey, now ass. If your country girl talking to blood from country, I come and tell city man about taming.
You can't tame because the woman come around a little and
you
dash me away. You dash me away and see there.
The last time I fuck hungry. See the last time I fuck hungry? When my first children and mother in a war.
Not change that topic gets up on me and the woman dash you away.
Now fuck my hungry belly.
I don't say if you do that.
Don't fuck I did. They fuck no sweet. Sunday and sky and eye.
Why you pay? I don't know own a parking there, so.
Nah, fuck I did. Because they fuck no sweet. So at the sky like I can fuck. And when I come in on the dinner.
I don't know how them block off the road this, so you have to go out there.
You can't go there. Oh, what's this? Oh, yeah, me I go out there.
So you have to go out there.
Yeah.
So you have to go out there.
Yeah.
So you have to go out there.
Yeah.
I saw this in the fridge. This is designed for children to suck on it. Bian, what are you doing here though? But anyway, does this look... What does this look like?
It looks like a penis to baby. But my friends just suck it. But while I just bring it to her, Baba basi, but it's not for her. And then I get stuff to
Bian, what does it look like?
A penis.
My 4-year-old just make 4? No. Know what this look like? What you supposed to do with it?
Nobody me no poor, me no blood clot poor.
So Jerry, why you pay a cuss bad one and be something about bad one?
The black people.
So I depend on a liquor shop and batty for your shilling. Go suck your mother. You're no batty boy. Come out here, somebody you pick up man batty boy. Shaman no feel away, I just this up that little idiot, little imperial pussy here. Video me. Hey, yo, you know that to me, say yo. You see, you have me things them for choose still no bigger. You know, say choose yo.
Yeah, you have them. You have them. You tell me to say have them.
My, you the man have me, yo.
Yeah, your friend, you have them.
Yo, you're pies in your pies like you have one. Yo, you weird bum buck like. You love flying parade. You love blend. All right, big up, so big up. Just hold it, man. Don't say nothing, man.
I can't make it that. So what about the ripe one?
Me must say what do I want about
The ripe one, Shirley. The green one, the power.
Clot.
If you think I joke, near me, I will tell me I think I joke near me. If Coxon will kill your ass, 20 months.
The cut there's a tea so long so.
You got to keep 20 months of good.
So where get blue balls? Where you go?
Blue balls, what do you mean by blue balls?
When you cock a hat, when you want pussy, you don't get none.
How do you have to do a back your feet?
Bumbo rascal and you go down.
Yes, back your feet. That's all you have to do. Pray me and make a picture.
Pray me.
Pray me.
Bumbo.
Make a picture. Sometimes you want to tell me to make a picture and then get wife in.
Pray that bumbo clan. Make a picture. You don't have pussy clan, brother. I best solution of this.
Nobody, me no poor. Me no blood clot poor.
So, Jerry, why you feel cause bad word and abuse? So, tell you about the bad word.
Black people.
So, let me tell you about the bad word.
Black people are squalor people. And them are squatters.
Let me tell you about the bad word.
Suck on a mother one piece.
Marley.
Hey, they are something to fuck off with you, you know. They are something with the blood clot. You know. Need to mash up this blood clot.
Them say enough about Donald Trump because you're not going to get a US visa.
Me want go to US. Me don't want to go to US, you know. US, but US are worth my body. We are wrong on the man, the man says stay on the yard. The man says stay on a blood clot yard. The whole of everybody go on a place to fix it up. And come out of my blood clot place. And that Donald Trump, so I don't understand. We are wrong guy, but I'm going to Canada. Every time I go over to Europe.
But them say enough to talk about it because you're not going to get it.
You can't blood clot tell me that. Because I'm a politician. Hey, when name dictator fanatic, all the president you get for Uno, we don't want nobody know him. Hey, you know, me a Camelot. Me a Camelot, me a King Arthur, me a knight of the brown table, me a black knight. So I'm telling you something. We are slave lady, yeah? We're under the crown. The clothes that I have on my mind, that is all of my skin on my mind, a Christian places. And them kill the son of blood clot God. And them touching them. You know who start kill them off? Adult Hitler, hype man and Mussolini. Kill out Jews, blood clot God and kill Christ. And them so far and dropping in Israel by European.
Catch breath. You clean though, baby, me not lie.
Style over fashion, elephant man team.
Oh, so elephant man, you a copy?
Yeah, elephant man, yeah, me a copy. It's a style over fashion, I guess so now. You know over there? Mr. Rocksteady. Mr. Rocksteady.
So, no one of the people know say your new name is Marley.
I have a new name that, you know.
Just one
I'm an original name.
So, your name.
Bob Marley grew me, you know. The prophet Bob Marley grew.
Just listen.
From
Marley. So, your name on the net is Marley. So, one of the people know say your name is Marley.
Hey.
So,
you know Bob Marley,
no more Jerome, no more Jerry.
Rocksteady,
It's
Rocksteady.
Marley.
Channel. Don't tell her to come yet. There I am, an idol. Ken Boot, I'm
Make them know say Marley and him. So
Marley, yo! We are going with Bob Marley, but Bob Marley, the Radix, you know.
So after today, it's Marley.
You see me love song them.
Just listen now. After today, it's Marley.
But after today, it's my Marley, I'm my original name, you know. Marley, you know.
So more people know say them call you Marley?
Yeah, call me Marley. I used to play Marley, yo. At time Marley and Soul, my soul rebel, you know, come check Dicky, Mooney, Stereograph,
so,
Daddy Rice.
So Marley change.
Me name not change, man. Me have, hey. I name a God name.
No, me tell them say.
I they call me Marley.
Yeah,
Marley from me young, from me at 6. Me know about Marley.
Yes, so Marley and Munium.
Marley is a prophet, you know.
So he's a prophet?
Yeah, man, he's a prophet.
No, me say you's a prophet.
Marley, that me.
No, me say you. So why you name Marley then?
Because we like Bob Marley. We come to Mooney and Dicky.
So to them, I want to see him and say Marley. I don't want to call him the other name.
I used to play a game, I pick the Marley, yo.
Me and you never have nothing.
Who my kind winner? And me prove a point to them. Show you.
No man.
I don't know where you are going so far. Where you are going so far, sir?
Me never have nothing yet.
Then where you are going so far?
So with a bumbo clot I can't have things to
A pussy you take me for mine, you make me cut off your pussy clot neck, you know, dog.
They are cut him, man. Cut him. See ya. I can't believe
Puma.
I'm gonna roast thing in my life.
Dog,
I see man coming, sir. And call
then
me.
when you call man, go man come back here so I make me box you in your pussy hole.
So you can't box me.
Then when you know
If
come
me
back.
know say you're not going to do that, you could never touch me.
Alright, you want me to do it again?
How you mean?
Then come now.
You don't love that.
Alright, see me move.
I mean, some coming and stop from.
You want me to come on and come back to you? Yes, I know. You want me to come on there? You know why me not come on there?
Pull it and come.
It all shows me do pussy
Pull
class.
the bum box gate and come now.
What make you never argue with 2 years?
After me and 2 years now nothing.
Alright, done.
Yeah, the man. If 2 years come right round there, so right now, I broke up every bone in their body. Like that. Every bone. Every fucking bone. After me and 2 years now. 2 years friend. Love me no man.
Me nah doing nothing, man. Come back there. Me nah doing nothing.
Me and him are nothing.
Me say me
The
nah
man
doing
would
nothing.
have called me son. And the man box me on the face.
Yeah, batty bit.
A batty slut.
Okay.
No, big slut. Yeah, man, tell you.
Wild cut and sing.
Hey, big shit. Let me tell you something. You see me and touch me? Problem, yeah. Big problem. Problem. I mean, every man. The mad. Oh.
I want drop pussy drop on you. I want drop on your blood clot, make you get dirty under your pussy hole. Dirty.
Come and carry your own. You want me to carry your own?
Yeah, man, sure.
Me have no problem with 2 years. I don't know why 2 years come from me.